This is the chocolate peanut butter date dessert, and this is how I made it. It all starts with a date. Some of the tasters of this dessert have found the balances off. Later on, I will tell you the secret to getting this dessert perfect every time. Start by removing the center bit from the date. Then get an oven tray. Or any other cooking tray that can go into the fridge. Line it with some wax paper or parchment paper, whatever you have. Then start lining up the dates next to each other. What you're trying to make is a giant rectangle date base. Whenever you have any gap in the date, try to close it up with another date. The amount of date you should use really depends on how big you want the bar to be. If you want a large quantity, fill up the whole tray. If you're looking for a little snack, then make it smaller. It's very easy to judge the base or the quantity you will need. The secret here is the stickier the date, the better it is. Once you're happy with the base, it's time to add in the peanut butter. I highly recommend when applying the peanut butter to use a straight spatula to spread the peanut butter evenly. Once you cover the date with the peanut butter completely, it's time to turn our attention to the chocolate. For the chocolate, we need to do tempering, meaning melting the chocolate into a liquid state and then pouring it on the peanut butter and spreading it quickly to solidify on top of the dates and peanut butter. Here I have a special pot and pan for tempering chocolate. Whatever you use to temper your chocolate, make sure you do it safely. I could do a whole video on how to temper chocolate without using special pots and pans like these. If you're interested in this, let me know in the comment. Keep an eye on your chocolate and continue mixing until it turns into a liquid state. You don't want your chocolate to boil. That liquid state. This is what we're looking for. Here we need to work quickly. Pour it on the top of the peanut butter. And using the straight spatula, spread the chocolate on top of the peanut butter. Once you have the peanut butter covered completely in chocolate, it's time to add in a dusting of pistachio. These are just regular pistachios without the shell. Run them into the food processor until they become fine powder. Dust them like that on the top until the chocolate is covered completely. All that's left to do now is to cover and let it rest for at least 1 hour. To give time for the chocolate to solidify. I highly recommend this step. Just before cutting, get some neutral oil like canola or sunflower oil and spread your cutting knife with it. That will help prevent the knife sticking to the date. Just before serving, what you need to do, you can either cut it neatly into squares or rectangles or little bites, or you can just cut them randomly into irregular shapes. Here you can clearly see that I cut about a third into squares and the rest I just cut randomly into different shapes, which I think looks much better. All that's left to do now is to plate up, add the new parchment paper or wax paper to your plate and add in your cut pieces. I would not recommend stacking them on top of each other. That will lead to the date sticking on top of the chocolate and messing things up. Just layer them in single layers, broken up and next to each other. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving us a thumbs up and sharing the videos with your friends. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on the next one.